It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Nestle. Love to cook. Cook with love.
Welcome back to your Feel Good Breakfast Show. This is Espresso only on SABC3. Man, what a cool Thursday it's been. It's almost time to say goodbye, unfortunately, but not after we jump into the Espresso kitchen with Chef Zozo.
Hello.
And the Simba as well joining us here. The Simba, the one.
The Simba.
The Simba, the one.
The Simba just
Now-
asked me, as a fellow cook, why do you use these red onions?
Yes,
As a
and
fellow
she
cook,
said, and you said,
because these are slightly sweeter.
there we go.
I just
That's the
need to,
answer.
you know, normally when Simba steps into the kitchen with the chef, I normally warn the chef, just, you know, be wary of Simba. Simba, I want to warn you now, right? Just
Okay.
Zozo.
hey.
Okay, careful now.
Hey.
Careful now.
Why? Why?
So what are we making?
We're making a whole wheat pasta with courgettes and some chicken.
All right.
So we started with those red onions.
No, this is a healthy dish, okay?
It
Simba,
is
so
very
this,
healthy.
you're happy to
Very
know.
healthy.
I will have
So
to
you
eat this.
started off with dessert
Yes.
this morning, okay? So now we're making a healthy dish. It is really healthy. I mean, if you take a look at the chicken sauce we're going to be making, that yields under 1,000 kilojoules, all right? Just the sauce alone. And for the pasta dish, just a serving of pasta, it yields like 400 kilojoules only. So really healthy recipe.
It
Good
is.
dinner as well.
Yes, okay, so in here we brown those onions.
All right.
And then we put some garlic in and some chicken in.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you just brown the chicken a little
All right,
bit. So we're gonna
go
fast
here.
forward as we do on TV. Yeah. And then in with the courgettes. It's great for fiber as well, so that's really good for you.
Keeps you
And then-
regular.
oh, does it, Simba? Do you want to tell us about it? And then here's some smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is one of those things that you add, and it adds a punch of flavor straight away.
Yes.
So it's like chili, and it's like smoky, and it's peppers. It's delicious. So you stir that all together. Then at this stage, you add your tomatoes, and your
we go.
tomatoes kind of form the sauce. So they break down, and they soften. And then once you've gotten to a stage where everything is sort of cooked, it looks like this. So you can see it's all broken down. The chicken's cooked through. The courgettes have wilted a bit.
That paprika flavor, can you smell that?
Delicious,
It's
hey?
amazing.
Any specific type of tomato you're supposed to use there?
Just cherry tomatoes because they're also a little sweeter, so
yeah.
that's good. But if you do have regular ones, you can just chop them up and use those as well.
Fantastic.
Okay, then at this stage, we're going to make it very saucy. We're going to turn off
Right.
this.
Here we go for the
right.
Here
pasta
we've
sauce.
got some whole wheat macaroni. You can use whatever pasta you like. If you like shells, if you like whatever shape. Simba, what's your favorite pasta shape?
Penne.
Penne.
That's
Okay.
the one.
That's it.
Okay, so you mix that in, and then we add some fresh basil, and that'll wilt in there as well and act like a leaf more than
Also
the
gives
herb.
a very nice flavor.
A delicious peppery
Yeah.
I smell it
flavor.
already.
And you smell that basil. And then here we go in with our evaporated milk. If
Okay.
you are trying to keep it low fat, use the low fat variety. Otherwise, you could use the full cream one.
That's it.
So we add that. And then at this stage, don't cook it anymore. So I've turned the heat off. Just stir the sauce together. And then, Simba, you're going to use your man muscles and put this. No, leave that there.
Okay.
Now we are
Then
making
put that in there.
We are
Okay.
making a
Okay.
beautiful chicken and courgette pasta bake this morning. If you want to try your hand at this, remember the keyword Nestle to 33728. We'll send you all the details. Those SMSs cost R1.50, but if you SMS the keyword this morning, Nestle to 33728, you'll automatically be entered into the draw to win yourself a Nestle hamper worth R500 filled with some fantastic goodies.
Doesn't that look good?
Oh, wow.
Okay, now
That
Simba,
looks
I'm putting you
beautiful.
to work.
All right.
Okay, so you're going to sprinkle over some Parmesan cheese, first of all. And then we've preheated the oven to about 180 degrees. And we're going to pop that in there as soon as Simba's doing it so delicately. You can
Don't
tell.
be shy with the cheese, buddy.
There you go.
He's a
Done.
shepherd heart, you can tell. And then we've got some cottage cheese. Use some low-fat cottage cheese. and then
that's
just
nice.
dot it over the top of the pasta. And then this goes into the oven. The cheese will melt. The cottage
wow.
cheese will also go a little oozy and a little crusty.
That's it.
And then we're good to go. So
Lovely.
that's it.
Easy
So that's
as
going to
that,
go
eh?
into the oven. That's as easy as it is.
Nice.
Let me get the other one. Should I get the other one?
Get the other one.
The
as
regular
well.
I've always wanted to do this. Here's one we made before.
Okay, so you get it. Don't burn yourself. This is gloves.
Remember, you want to find the details on how to make our chicken and courgette pasta bake, log on to our Facebook page, Espresso Morning Show, SABC3, easy as that. And look at that. I mean, that cottage
that.
cheese made this little pockets of
See,
goodness.
it goes all crusty and delicious,
Oh,
and some of
wow.
the pasta goes all crunchy and crispy. And then, Simba, you have the honors of
Come on,
serving it
stretch
up.
out there and dish us in.
Fantastic.
Serve it up for us.
That's it. You got to make
Serve
it look
up
pretty
yourself,
now, yeah?
actually. You're
Gotta
going to
make-
taste it.
Got to make it look pretty now as well.
Okay.
That's it.
Don't burn yourself either, please.
There we go.
So there it is. And
Fantastic.
we've got a bit of a side salad to go with it, because that's always
Lovely.
nice.
We do this.
There we go.
Make it all Look all nice and pretty.
Beautiful. Such
You
a
can dish
fruit
a little bit
stylist.
more pasta.
I mean,
A
he's
little bit
being
more.
very modest.
Got a
And then,
whole.
and then,
Is
and
this
then
how you serve people
no.
at home? Such
See,
a mangy portion.
there's a thing we do on Top Billing. It's called Top Billing Bites.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, you're not supposed to look like you haven't eaten in years. Done.
Well, you know what? Here on
There you go,
Espresso,
well
come on,
done.
take a bite. But yeah, no, we can definitely do with some more pasta. Though,
I think
man.
so too.
I think
Okay,
that,
some
that
more
basil leaf
pasta.
overshadows everything.
Okay, there we go. There's more.
Love it. Our
Doesn't
chicken
your wife feed you?
and courgette. Chicken and courgette bake this morning. It looks absolutely delicious. Not so great that Simba
Yeah,
dished it.
yeah,
Zola
fine.
obviously
You
does a
ruined
better
it
job. That keyword Nestle to 33728. Very easy. But if you want to see how we made this one more time, here we go.
Heat oil, then add onions and saute. Add garlic and chicken and cook until browned. Add paprika and courgettes, then saute. Add tomatoes and seasoning. Stir in pasta, evaporated milk and basil leaves. Place into oven dish, then sprinkle on parmesan. Bake at 180 degrees until golden and bubbling. For the full recipe, visit the Espresso Morning Show Facebook page or log on to www.expressoshow.com. SMS the keyword Nestle to 33728 to receive the shopping list on your phone. Click on the link provided to view the recipe on our Mobi site. SMSs cost R1.50, no free SMSs, T's and C's apply.
So while we are having a beautiful breakfast here in studio, thank you so much, Simba, man. It's been great having you in studio.
Thank you.
Once again, that keyword Nestle to 33728. Easy as that. SMS that. We'll send you all the details and how you can make this delicious bake, and you'll automatically be entered into the draw to win yourself a Nestle hamper worth 500 Rand, filled with some great goodies.